Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Gail and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look using the lipstick called Starlette. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I did is I used the eyeshadow primer all over my lid, and I like to let it sit and rest before applying the eyeshadow right away. So while I'm doing that, I go ahead and I used my blush, and this shade is called Gotta Glow. I applied that to my cheekbones. And then I returned back to go ahead and apply the eyeshadows. The first eyeshadow that I used is the Buttercream eyeshadow, and I apply that all over my lid, clear up to the brow bone. The next shade that I used on the eyelid itself is called Iced Mocha. And then I follow up with the crease color and outer corner color in Chocolate Martini. And then I go back in with a brush to blend those colors out. The last color that I used is the color Innocence, and I like to use that as a highlight on the inner corner. Then I went ahead and applied the Lash Project mascara. And after that, the lovely and beautiful color Starlette. I prefer my lipsticks a little bit more creamy and moisturizing. Starlette tends to be a little bit more matte, so I did go ahead and apply the lip gloss over the top of it in Amor Caliente. This is a very easy and quick look to do if you're going out for Galentine's Day or Valentine's Day. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, bye!